This is Elisa, and this is her dog Buddha. And here's me, a stranger they've just met, taking their picture.
Portfolio or school or just fun.
I make videos taking off. She's filming right now.
At first, what caught my attention was her dog Buddha. Like, I mean, look at this little guy, he's so cute. I instantly asked if I could take photos of them, which Elisa agreed to.
Buddha.
They didn't say Snoopy. Snoopy, that's Kenny.
Oh, okay. Snoopy.
Yeah, did he do it?
Yeah. You make this?
Yes, I make it.
I sent a video and he said like, take him home to Brazil with me.
I lost him 2 months ago almost.
This video was recorded during a trip to Portugal, and I jokingly said that I was going to take him home to Brazil with me. And she told me that just 2 months prior, Buddha had almost passed away due to a heart disease.
That's what we got to look forward to. He's here with us, so let's have fun with him, right, buddy? It's so.
But then you say I want to take him, and then I think, no.
The more I talked to her, the more I knew she and Buddha were inseparable. I couldn't help myself but ask Elisa's story.
And when did you come to Portugal?
2.5 years ago.
2.5 years?
Yeah.
On a camper van
Yes,
with no plans.
No.
Now that's what I call boldness. 2.5 years ago, Elisa left everything behind to go live with her dog on a van in another country.
Can I take a picture of you in front of the van
Yeah, for sure.
and holding, I don't know,
Something.
your favorite piece?
Yeah, this one because it cost me a lot of energy. It's nice, but it cost me a lot of time, and I don't know. People are not interested, you know. When you say the price, then they are.
Elisa told me that sometimes it's difficult to sell her artisan pieces. If you are interested in purchasing her art, here is her Instagram, and also she ships anywhere. Now let's get back to the photos.
They'll be calling me royalty.